Welcome to episode 11 of Dataverax. This episode discusses the data quality dimension of reasonability. My name is Scott Andrews, and I am president and practice lead at Dataverax, where I deliver data analytics and data management solutions, and also lead training seminars. When we start to look at our data, we want to be sure that it makes sense. Is there anything in the data set that stands out or is obviously wrong? Does the data pass the smell test? Now we are considering a dataset's reasonability. The easiest place to start is to check out your dataset's ranges, maximum and minimum values, and distribution. Also, check for outliers in your dataset. If you see things you do not expect, it is important not to jump to the conclusion that your data is faulty. Sometimes data can be surprising and give you results that you do not expect. But if you see things like a large cluster of birth dates on a particular day, say January 1st, 1900, or if you see records outside the normal range of date values, I once saw a transaction dated the year 80 AD, then you probably have a data quality problem. This should be investigated further to identify the root cause of the problem, if possible. Ideally, you want to resolve the issue in a dataset as far up the data process as possible, so you can prevent these problems from reoccurring in the future. Depending on the control you have of your data source, you could enforce data quality standards at an earlier stage of the data flow, perhaps even at data entry. Sometimes the only solution is to cleanse the data and send it along the data flow. When you are accepting data from an outside third party, there is little you can likely do to remedy data quality root causes, but you can bring problems you encounter to the attention of your third-party data provider and hopefully have these problems addressed. Perhaps you can forge some sort of a data partnership with your third-party data provider to work towards improvement in data quality. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you've enjoyed this episode on data reasonability. Please like or subscribe to hear more about data quality.